Hi guys. So today I'm gonna make a video of me organizing my fidget box thingy. Sorry, this isn't. Yeah, and it was messy, so I took everything out. Here are my simple dimples, my magic snakes, my pop tubes, my marble mashes, these Rubik's cubes, my poppets, and these are some random extras. I even have this, but it won't fit. And with all of that, because I've tried, but it's really hard actually, so I just leave this aside. Okay, so I'm gonna start off with the poppets. So I have this green one. And I usually put this in the corner. Okay, yeah, and since that's a square one, this is a square one too, I put it in. And for real, I already tried putting them all in, and yeah, so I got everything planned, but some of them I forgot, so yeah, if some of them don't fit, don't like doing it. Okay, now I have this remote control thingy. I put this like sideways because then I could get out this little mini puppet. Oh, sorry, I like the pops. Okay, let me pop it and put it over here. So yeah, they both look good together, by the way, too, for me. So yeah, and then I have this rainbow puppet, and it's actually really good pops. I bought it from Walmart. And it's actually really good. It's rainbow. And it's really cute. As you can see, I could try it on here already. But the last one is kind of like echoey-ish. So, yeah. I'm just going to put this over here. And that's how it looks. Just one more thing to put. And I just put this dimple digit in. So I will put that little dimple digit over there. It's cute. It's just little. Because for real, they're bigger. I don't know. So yeah. These pop tubes. Okay. No, not these pop tubes. I put. Wait, what else did I put? Oh yeah. So you guys, and I'm not really memorize all the things to do, but this goes over here. Well, for me, in this I put it some toys. Yeah, I just put it some little toys in. I did have a broken cube in there. What is it called? A Rubik's cube in there. Okay, next. Okay, the mochi noodles and mochis. I usually just put these next to here. And these marble mesh. And this is like one with the head. And it just bounces kind of. Oh no, it just broke. Oh, I can fix it. It just bounces up. I'm just gonna fix that soon. I'm gonna put all of these marble meshes in here on the side. And I like putting this in the corner. And you can see the top, this is just, and this has more space. So I put these little two, but it's kind of too tall sometimes, but it still is a good fit. And I have this fidget cube. I don't know what it's actually called, but I call it fidget cube. I mean, I think it is because on the side, you guys could see it says fidget cube. Yeah. And I put it here, but sometimes it doesn't fit, so I just put it down there. And then, I actually don't know. Oh, yeah. Okay, let's see if I can move the Rubik's Cube. Okay, I put these up here, and it actually is a perfect fit. I don't really like when it falls. Wait, let me fix it up a little with the cube. Okay, yeah, like that. Oh yeah, this cute little pea popper. Where's the face? Oh, there's the face. Okay, the face goes, actually, no, not the face, the pea popper. Okay, no, I actually need to fit this in because like it's really hard to put it in the end. So yeah. Oh no, my God. Fidget this in. Okay. Yeah, there. And it really just looks messed up. And oh, sorry, there's a car honking. I need to stop. Oh, whatever. And I have this. I actually don't know. Okay, little simple dimple. I don't know. It's really cute to like hang on your pants, your jeans, or something else, or your backpack. I don't know. And yeah, I need to get these, and I don't know how these will fit in since now I'm confused. Okay, yeah, I didn't really get this planned out. After this, it might not be harder to carry with one hand because right now I'm just carrying the phone with one hand. And it's really hard, okay? So, yeah, send help. No, you don't have to, actually. So, yeah, I'll put that pea popper there. This yo-yo is really annoying me. I don't really get it. It's just boring. I don't know why. Oh, yeah, there's a smiley face one. Oh yeah, these two bike chains, they're not really good. Like, look at this is what always happens to them. I always have to fix it up. Alright, I'm fine with it. By the way, I might make another like Barbie thing since I haven't made one of those since a long time. So yeah, I'm gonna put these over here. Well, back to the fidgets. I don't know if the snake head is a fidget actually, but it's really good. I just like it. And that yo-yo could go there, and oh yeah, I'm just gonna put some things in here, okay? Just 1 sec. I'm putting the yo-yo in. Yep, that doesn't fit. Okay, yeah, that looks like it's about to explode. Oh no. Let's just put it back. Okay, yeah, this is gonna be a fail. This is my last step. My last fidgets. I don't actually know if this is a fidget. I don't know if I'll put it in. I might just put it in here. Maybe I might just put it in here. Okay, yeah, that doesn't fit. Let me see if I can fit it in just a sec. I'll do that. This is how much I could get in. Whatever, let me just put it in. Oh no. Let me attach that back on soon. You guys, I'm not trying to show off about this, so yeah, sorry. And the moment of truth is to see if they could even fit in. Please fit, please fit. Okay, yay, it actually fits. Oh, sorry, that's the fidget thing. So yeah, thank you for watching this video of me struggling to put my fidgets in here. See you next time. Bye. I might make a Barbie video. So yeah. Bye. Oh.